Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the Coriolis acceleration. We already discussed about some points of the Coriolis acceleration when there is a slider which is going to be sliding over the link which is going to be rotated about with a angular acceleration omega. Okay, there is a slider which is going to be in a sliding motion, okay, and having the velocity v. So we can calculate the Coriolis acceleration. There will be the component of the Coriolis that would be equal to 2v omega, where v is the linear velocity of the slider and omega is the angular velocity of the link. Okay, now what is the direction? We can calculate that first you have to tap the sense of omega, okay, and rotate this velocity vector in the 90-degree in the same sense of omega. Okay, that means if this is the omega that is in the anti-clockwise direction, you have to rotate v vector by 90-degree in the same sense as the sense of omega. That means here will be the Coriolis acceleration component. Okay, now this is the general points of the Coriolis acceleration. I revised you. Okay, now the question is saying that the Coriolis component of acceleration depend on what? Velocity of the slider, yes. Velocity of the slider, okay. Angular velocity of the link, that is correct. Acceleration of the slider, this is not correct, okay. And the angular acceleration of the link, this is not correct, because in the formula of Coriolis acceleration you can see here v is the velocity of the slider and omega is the angular velocity of the link. Okay, now according to the option A is the correct answer for this question. This is a theoretical question. Generally in the gate examinations, the questions is of a if the question is of theoretical type, it would be like that. Okay, there will be a multiple choice questions. They give you 3 to 4 statements and you have to check which statement is correct or which statement is wrong. But how can you determine the correct statement? But first you have to know the exact meaning of the exact analysis of the Coriolis component, Coriolis acceleration. Then you are able to solve the theoretical questions. Don't try to learn and again the statements like that, velocity of the slider, angular velocity of the link. Don't. It is not to be learned. Okay, there is no need to be learned these statements. Just focus on this formula and you will be able to solve the question, whether it is of theoretical type, whether it is of numerical type.